Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Ibotta. Focus investing, beginner, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Ibotta, first, download the Ibotta app from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, open it to begin the registration process. You will see an option to sign up using your email address or by linking to your social media accounts. Choose your preferred method and enter the required information. If you choose to sign up with your email, create a strong password to ensure account security. After entering your details, tap on the Create Account button. Next, check your email for a verification link from Ibotta. Click on the link to verify your email address and complete the registration. Once your account is verified, return to the Ibotta app and log in using your new credentials. Now that you are logged in, take a moment to explore the home screen. Browse available offers under various categories, such as groceries, retail, or online shopping. When you find an offer you want to claim, simply tap on it for more details. Read the terms and conditions, then select Add Offer to save it to your account. After shopping, you will need to redeem your offers. To do this, navigate back to the app and select Redeem. You can either scan your store receipt or link your grocery loyalty card. If you scan your receipt, ensure it clearly shows the items you purchased. After uploading, Ibotta will automatically match the purchases with your selected offers. If you linked your loyalty card, the offers will be automatically applied at checkout. Once your offers are confirmed, your cash back will be credited to your Ibotta account. Keep your eye on your account balance, as you can withdraw funds once you reach the minimum payout threshold. Enjoy exploring different ways to save money with Ibotta as you go shopping. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.